starting our another session. So on the behalf of the JNU Academic, I Rajiv would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you for today's discussion on the backstage of democracy, India's election campaign, and the people who manage them, authored by Dr. Amogdhar Sharma. Before we formally begin the event, a word of introduction about JNU Academic. JNU Academic is an entirely student-driven open forum. The fundamental principle of the forum is to enrich the possibilities of democratic and civil discourse inside the campus on the issues of social relevance. Since its inception in 2017, the forum has conducted talks, reading sessions, book discussions that touches on various themes and materials. The forum strives to foster meaningful academic dialogues and critical engagement with contemporary scholarship. The forum has been blessed to have a generous and engaging audience since its inception. I would request the esteemed audience to please consider contributing monetarily. Your donations help us keep running the initiative and pay for posters and refreshments and all that. The method for like donation is online and cash also. You can choose whatever suits you. Before I introduce the panelists for today's event and outline the format of today's session, let me briefly explain the context of today's book discussion. The groundswell of support that culminated in the sweeping electoral victory of Narendra Modi in 2014 marked the arrival of Thatcherite movement for India. The resounding margin of victory in this election has meant that the center of gravity of Indian politics has comprehensively shifted to the right. The persistent centrism, as theorized by Rudolph and Rudolph, no longer remains the most striking feature of Indian politics. Moreover, the election of 2014 broke new ground as far as electioneering is concerned. 2014 onwards, the role of political consultant, pollsters, data analysts, and social media volunteers has extremely pronounced. This is where the backstage of democracy. This book makes a scholarly intervention and delves into the intricate workings of India's electoral democracy. It offers a nuanced perspective on the actors and the mechanism that shape it beyond the public eye. Amogdhar Sharma argues that these changes are not merely reducible to a story of India's technological prowess. Rather, they highlight a political culture where ideas of political expertise, the distribution of power within the political parties, and citizens' attitude towards political participation have undergone profound change. Now, coming to introducing our speaker for today. Unfortunately, our chair is not here. This is not well. Amogdhar Sharma, author of the book for today's session, is a liberal early career fellow at University of Oxford. His academic expertise lies in the election campaigns, the role of digital technology in social political transformations, and the governance structure that shapes democratic institutions. In the past, he has worked as a departmental lecturer in modern South Asian studies at Oxford School of Global and Area Studies, and has held a stipendiary lectureship in the politics at the Queen's College, Oxford. He completed his PhD in International Development from the University of Oxford in 2020. Discussant for today's talk is Professor Ajay Budavarti. He is an associate professor at the Center for Political Studies, JNU, New Delhi. His publication includes Politics of Post-Civil Society, Maoism, Democracy and Globalization, India After Modi, Populism and the Right, and the most recently, Politics, Ethics and Emotions in India. Our second discussant is Roshan Kishore. He is a data and political economy editor at Hindustan Times. His weekly column for Hindustan Times Premium, Terms of Trade, we are all familiar with. We read quite interestingly. Appears on every Friday. Now I'll be outlining the today's format for the discussion. Author will be speaking for 25 to 30 minutes, followed by each discussant 15 minutes and 20 minutes. Then the response of author for the 10 minutes, and then we will open the session for the Q&A. I will hand over to the Professor Budavarti to author for his remarks. Thank you.